Zombie apocalypse.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Eco Talks with Sneha Maneriker. In today's session, we'll discuss few more questions from the chapter Statistics. Watch the previous videos for better understanding of today's session. So let us start our session with our first question. Mode under the skewed distribution. A. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. B. Mode is equal to 2 median minus 3 mean. C. Mode is equal to median minus mean. D. Mode is equal to median minus 2 mean. Answer is A. Mode under skewed distribution is 3 median minus 2 mean. Relationship between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean is A square is equal to G into H. B. G square is equal to A into H. C. H square is equal to A into G. D. G is equal to A into H. Answer is G square, that is GM square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Let us see the proof for this. Suppose A and B are two positive numbers, then arithmetic mean will be A plus B by 2. Whereas geometric mean will be square root of A into B and harmonic mean will be 2AB upon A plus B. Now you can see here 2AB. AB can be given as GM, that is GM square, and 2AB, that is reverse of arithmetic mean. So GM square is equal to product of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. Our next question is, the square root of variance is called A. Standard deviation, B. Mean deviation, C. Quartile deviation, D. Coefficient of variation. Answer is A. The square root of variance is called as standard deviation. Here are the formulas for variance and standard deviation. If we take the square root of variance, it will give the standard deviation of the sample. Then measure used to calculate index number is A. Median, B. Mean, C. Mode, D. Standard deviation. Answer is median. Median is used to calculate the index numbers. Then correlation coefficient ranges from A. 0 to minus 1, B. 1 to 0, C. minus 1 to plus 1, D. 0 to minus 1. Answer is minus 1 to plus 1. Correlation coefficient ranges between minus 1 to plus 1. Then regression coefficient ranges from A. minus infinity to plus infinity, B. 1 to plus infinity, C. minus 1 to 0, D. 0 to plus infinity. Answer is minus infinity to plus infinity. Regression coefficient will range from minus infinity to plus infinity. The sign indicates, if there is negative sign, it indicates inverse relationship between the two variables, and positive sign will indicate the positive or direct relationship between the two variables, dependent and independent variable. Then concept of regression was given by A. Francis Galton, B. Carl Pearson, C. R. A. Fisher, D. None of the above. Answer is Francis Galton. He studied the relationship between the son and father's height, and he developed the concept of regression. And next question, functional relationship between two variables is known as A. Correlation, B. Regression, C. Cobb-Douglas production function, D. Linear function. Answer is regression. Regression is defined as functional relationship between two variables. Now correlation coefficient is independent of change in A. Origin, B. Scale, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer is both A and B. The correlation coefficient is independent of change in both origin as well as scale. Now here origin means when some value is added or subtracted in the observation, here correlation coefficient will not change. That is, it is independent of origin. And change in scale means when some value is multiplied or divided to the observation, then also the correlation coefficient will not change. So correlation coefficient is independent of change in scale and origin of the variable x and y. Then regression coefficient is independent of change in A, origin, B, scale, both A and B, D, none of the above. Answer is origin. Regression coefficient is independent in change of origin, but not in the scale. Origin means when we subtract or add any number to the values of x and y, there will be no effect on the regression coefficient. But if we multiply or divide by any constant, then regression coefficients will change. So regression coefficients are independent of change in origin, but not that of scale. Probability ranges from 0 to 1, -1 to 0, C -1 to +1, D +1 to -1. Answer is 0 to 1. You can see here probability ranges from 0 to 1. If probability is 0, the occurrence of that event is impossible, and when it is equal to 1, the event will be certainly sure to happen. If it is 0.5, there is even chance. For example, tossing of coin, either head or tail, both will have the even chance. Whereas to get 1 on the dice, it will be very unlikely. And 4 in 5 chance. If there are 5 trials in that, we can get 4. There is much likely chance. So this is the range of probability. There is 0 to 1. Then discrete probability distribution include A, binomial distribution, B, Poisson distribution, C, normal distribution, D, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. In discrete probability distribution, we include both binomial and Poisson distribution. Now, discrete distribution have finite number of different possible outcomes. So it is called as discrete distributions. Here are the properties of discrete distribution listed, and discrete probability distribution includes binomial, Poisson, and hypergeometric distributions. Our next question is continuous probability distribution includes A, binomial distribution, B, Poisson distribution, C, normal distribution, D, both A and B. Answer is C, normal distribution is continuous probability distribution. Now, continuous distribution means they have finite many consecutive possible values. The probability will be continuous and infinite. So, continuous probability distribution includes normal distribution, uniform distribution, and exponential distribution. Next question is the number of trial is finite in case of A, binomial distribution, B, Poisson distribution, C, normal distribution, D, both A and B. Answer is A. The number of trials are finite in binomial distribution. Then if the number of trials are finite and probability of success of each trial is very small, then we use A, binomial distribution, B, Poisson distribution, C, normal distribution, D, both A and B. Answer is C, normal distribution. When the number of trials are finite and probability of success is very small, then we use normal distribution. The range of Poisson distribution is 0 to infinity, B minus infinity to plus infinity, C 0 to 1, D 1 to infinity. Answer is 0 to infinity. The range of Poisson distribution is always the positive integers, that is 0 to infinity. The next question, the range of normal distribution is 0 to infinity, B minus infinity to plus infinity, C 0 to 1, D 1 to infinity. Answer is minus infinity to plus infinity. That is the range of normal distribution. And next question is parameter of binomial distribution includes A, N and P, B, N, P and Q, C only N, D all of the above. Answer is N and P. Parameter of binomial distributions includes N and P. Then in Poisson distribution, mean and variance are A equal, B not equal, C constant, D positive. Answer is equal. In Poisson distribution, mean and variance will be equal. In normal distribution, mean is equal to mode is equal to median. B, mean is greater than mode greater than median. C, mean is less than mode less than median. D, mean is less than mode greater than median. Answer is A. In normal distribution, mean will be equal to mode equal to median. Now here is the summary of all the probability distributions. discrete as well as continuous. Here parameters, characteristics and probability function, mean and variance of each probability distribution is given here. That's all for today's session. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or message me on my Telegram group EcoTalks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.